laging lang yung hana, kala mo main course.
I really saw it.
Diba pa lang yun?
Baka na arrest na case.
This area is the best done for finding Maple. We're going far away. The Wingles is obviously far from civilization.
Take the second left.
Second left. Ito. First. Second. Ito no?
It stands on.
Ito left. Tama ba?
Yep.
Ah, ito to. Second left. Dito dapat dito magpasok. Huwag dyan kasi okay. Here.
Continue for 11
Banda
kilometers.
siya maliit.
Okay.
In 200 meters, turn right. Continue for 11 kilometers.
Pero kung meron mang earthquake, tectonic, I think we're safer in this island. You're not running out of this big wala ba tayong trees?
Yan pala. We are close cottage. Nakabili tayo ng easy yung tricycle driver.
Bili ka ng tip ang scale?
Hindi ako ng 100. Tinawaran ko yung
Mangga.
yung mangga by 200. Binigay kong 100 sa
Marami. So, nakatipid ka 100.
tipid ako 100. Mahal pa naman yun sa kanya eh. Usually mga grafted na yan, mga 50 but
Tingin ko nursery siya ng LG.
hindi sa kanila.
First private yan.
Private na. Yung ano to eh? May mangga dito oh. Ay, Gimaras pala.
Then yung yung mga depressed people of yung Marathi what they have autistic. Ilang roads nila
Ganda, grabe, impress ako ba? Wait. Kung Siargao, ganito oh. Ang galing, kaganda. Ano? First class talaga yun.